Hola world! Today I will show you how to make Ipanema, the non-alcohol version of the cocktail Caipirinha. For one person you will need one lime that you first roll. That way the juice will later come out easier. Cut the lime into half and each one into quarters. For 1 glass of Ipanema you will only need 1/4. Take a mortar, put the 4 pieces into it and add brown sugar. I added only 2 because I don't like much sugar. Muddle the lime and the sugar. Take a glass and pour the mixture into it. Add 100 ml bitter lemon. Add 100 ml passion fruit juice. Add crushed ice. Add mint leaves. And add 200 ml ginger ale. And that's it.